Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Apart from roof tiles, another popular roofing material in Malaysia is metal roofing, or sometimes called metal decking. Today, I'm going to share with you knowledge on what you should know about metal roofing. Here are samples of metal roofing, a wide variety of colors and designs to complement any style. Commonly installed on factories before gaining their popularities among residential owners in recent years. Look around you. You can see metal roofing almost everywhere. Not just in roofing, but it can be used as wall, hoarding, fencing, fascia, and many other applications. Why metal roofing? And what are the advantages? First, it is made from sustainable materials, recyclable, and environmental friendly. Highly reflective that helps to cool down the temperature. Lightweight to preserve the structural integrity and lifespan. Fast and easy installation. Single length, which can be up to 20 feet or even longer without a single joint. And finally, based on my calculation, the cost of supply and install for the metal roofing system is relatively lower as compared to other roofing systems. Next, we move to disadvantages. Noisiness. Metal roofing can be very noisy, especially during heavy rain. Trust me on this. You may have to shout at each other if you are under one roof. How to solve this? By adding more insulation. And this may increase costs. Expansion and contraction. Metal roofing materials are attached in large panels, which tend to expand and contract. If they are not properly installed, the panels may loosen. Inconsistency of color match. If a repair or a home extension is carried out years later, it is very difficult to find an exact match to the existing metal. In coastal area, color fadings can be even cited earlier within months. There are several criteria that we need to evaluate based on the performance of metal roofing. Water ponding anywhere on the roof due to poor quality installation or repair can eventually cause serious damages. Low-grade metals may also be thinner and less durable. Metal rust, visible scratch marks or dents, which are not treated, can lead to potential failures. As some of you may be aware, there are many manufacturers and suppliers of metal roofing in Malaysia, ranging from small, medium to large. However, I would still prefer to call them suppliers because most of the steel coils are imported and locally cut into lengths of metal roofings. Here are some important terminology that you should know about metal roofing. Profile, referring to the design, shape and dimension. Profile name, given by its supplier. The thickness of metal roofing or gauge can be divided into two types: total coating thickness (TCT) and base metal thickness (BMT). For example, gauge 24, 26, 28 or 0.23 mm, 0.30 mm and etc. Do you know that base metal substrate (BMS) is very important in determining the performance of metal roofing? Here are some examples. PPCR, pre-painted cold roll. PPGI, pre-painted galvanized. Alu-zinc or zinc aluminum alloy. GI, galvanized or hot dip galvanized. And of course, there are many colors to your preference. For example, red, blue, green, beige, grey, and many other selections. Getting confused with the technical terms? Let me summarize for you the types of metal roofing. Different profiles with different enhancement for different types of application. This is straight profile, most popular metal roofing, long span, economical, and easy to install. Do you know what is this? This is cream curve metal roofing, commonly used as roof awning or at the pedestrian walkway. Look at this roof design, having the aesthetic appearance of roof tiles while still maintaining the advantages of metal roofing. Next, I'm going to show you metal roofing with insulation for noise and heat reduction. This is metal roofing with PU polyurethane aluminum foil. This is metal roofing with PU foam. And this is metal roofing with PU foam metal. Thank you for watching my video. This is the end of part 1 introduction on what you should know about metal roofing. In the next video, part 2, I'll be sharing with you installation and how to install the metal roofing. If you do not want to miss it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you. Bye bye for now.